gonna take her out to the garage and get her fitted in. Garage is a wreck. Got our buddy Roger's truck in here. Hello, beautiful. I'm doing brake lines on his truck and went RC racing last night, so the garage is a little bit of a mess. Oh, I gotta take all that stuff off first. That's gonna be fun. Turn on the heater. Fudge. Out of fuel. Okay, well, gotta go get diesel fuel. That right there, that's my truck. One of the DOD lifters just went bad, so I'm driving my dad's GMC. Actually has the Brian Tooley Stage 4 truck cam in it, so I'll fire it up so you guys can hear it. Gas station, get some fuel. Alright guys, so I slacked a little bit. I didn't record me cutting the dash. The dash is almost in. I gotta do a little bit more trimming. I have some pretty big gaps because we went in like behind the dash with it. But me and my dad already have a game plan for that. But other than that, once I get it trimmed up some more and get it kind of bolted in there, my steering shaft, I have that cut out and ready. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit more. My screen is gonna go right here. That's gonna be pretty nice. Oh, this was a gift, Christmas gift I got. Joe Andrews out of Decatur, Indiana makes these. Team No Fucks Given and the Bald Regal. And my buddy Roger Swain, actually. So my brakes last year weren't the greatest. I have manual brakes. So he actually bought this when he was doing his Nova. It's a 7-inch booster. So I'm gonna paint it black, kind of clean, make it a little nicer. Not that that's not nice, but just kind of stick out like a sore thumb. That way when I'm possibly going 150 mile an hour, 160, I can stop instead of being sketched out.